Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the essentials: phone, light, and a single clear idea. Choose 1080p or higher and turn on grid lines. Lock exposure and white balance so shots stay consistent. Next, sketch a 15 to 30 second hook that shows the benefit fast. Once done, set 3 core shots: intro close-up, mid-demo, and call to action. Make sure to place the phone on a tripod or steady surface, and gather 1 or 2 simple props to reinforce the message. You now focus on execution. Shoot deliberately and with variation. Record in landscape or 16:9 orientation and capture multiple takes of each shot so you have options. Attach an external mic or lapel. Check audio levels and keep peaks around -12 to -6 decibels to avoid clipping. While filming, frame using the rule of thirds and add 1 slow push-in or a smooth pan to create motion. Once you have clean footage and crisp sound, label clips so editing is faster. You finish by assembling the story. Trim tightly to 15 to 30 seconds, place the strongest hook in the first 3 to 4 seconds, and end with a 2 to 3 second call to action card. Color correct so skin tones and backgrounds match across shots, then export as H.264 at 25 to 30 frames per second with a 5 to 8 Mbps bitrate for a balance of quality and size. If audio problems appear, re-record a voiceover, apply noise reduction, and sync it to the picture to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.